Yeah, you're on? Yeah, right. So what this is I'm going to show you how to take this apart. The two things you're going to need is a screwdriver and a hammer. Yeah, that's all you'll need. First of all, what we've done, yeah, is that these are in on screws on this side, so that you can take them out. Now, once that's out, all you have to do is lift the staff bead out, switch off.
Good.
The next thing you've got to do is lift the window up slightly to above here, yeah. On the right hand side, pull it out and the window comes free. Now, when you do this for the first time, or the second time, or even the 20th time, you'll probably need to do this with two people. Yeah? What you do is you get hold of the rope, you pull it down as far as it'll go, and then on the side here, there's a red catch, red piece of rope. Literally just give it a sharp tug, and it releases the catch. It's that easy. Then let the rope down slowly. On the other side, you do exactly the same. So you pull the rope down, you get hold of the red tag, and you give it a sharp pull. Then let the rope down slowly, and that's it. That is the bottom sash taken out. So we'll put that to one side, switch off. The next thing to do is to take the parting bead out. This is the parting bead. It's only held in there by friction. So you give it a sharp tug. Sometimes you have to twist them a little bit, but they come out. Yeah. At the top here, you may have to twist the parting bead to pull it past this point here. And that's it. Switch off. Now pull the top sash down, and again on the right hand side, pull the window out so that it's completely free. Yeah. Again, get hold of the rope, pull it down, and it won't come very far. Get hold of the red tag and pull it out. Then again, take it down slowly. That's the one side. And then on the other side, you do exactly the same. Let it down. And that is that window out. Now you can bring your furniture in once you've taken your furniture in. Now what we're going to do is put the window back in again. Yeah, very, very simple now. Lift the window up into place. Draw down the top one. Draw it all the way down, and then the hook on there, you'll see the way it's shaped. Put the top in like that, yeah, and then just, you'll hear the click, then you know it's in. That's on one side. On the other side, we draw it down. Again, you put it in that way round, it goes into place, and you'll hear the click. That's it done. Now, you put it in on the left hand side, turn the window in, and make sure it's running smoothly. That's it. Then you get hold of the parting bead. This is the parting bead. Yeah. You put it in at the top and you put it in at the bottom. Then you get hold of the hammer. Wherever the hammer is, 1 minute. We had a hammer here. There it is. Get hold of the hammer and you simply knock it back into position. The little tricky piece is here again. You have to twist it slightly sometimes to get it in. Pull the window down and then go up the staff bead, putting it in as squarely as you can. And that is then the top sash put in. Now we put the bottom sash in. And it's exactly the same. Lift it into place. Literally just place it on the window ledge, that's good enough. Get hold of the rope, pull it down, and hook it in exactly the same way. And wait for the click. And that's that. That's on that side. And on this side, do exactly the same. Pull it down. And in at the top, and you hear the click. And then just put the rope in to the little hole, so that the red is in this little slot. Get hold of the window, push it in on the left hand side, and make sure the window slides. That's it. All right. Now get hold of the staff bead, put it in at the bottom, get hold of it in the middle, put your hand up at the top and bend the staff bead slightly so that it fits in absolutely perfectly. Get hold of the screwdriver, put it back in exactly the same hole, and Bob's your uncle, Charlie's your aunt, hey presto, the window is back in place. All you have to do is at the top is knock it in to make sure that it's all back in place. And your windows now function